Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO Y19 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find applications and permissions. Then let's tap on permission management and here we have to localize install unknown apps. And as you can see right here, we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed, like in my case to install some content. So simply find the option and tap on the switcher. After agreeing back, you can see that the app is right now allowed to install something. Be aware that you're doing it on your own responsibility because some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer. So you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course, you can turn it off the same way just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that would be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.